Welcome back to my channel. So this is another video under balancing of chemical equation. So if you look at the board, you will see that we are asked to find the value of x, y, and z. If you come across this type of equation in chemistry, what they are asking you is to balance the chemical equation. Okay, so let's start. So before you start balancing any chemical equation, the first thing to do is to write out all the given elements, okay, at your left side, and also do the same to your right side. Okay, so let's start from my left side. So the first element here is what? Is potassium, right? Is potassium. The second one is what? Manganese. The third one is oxygen, right? The fourth one is sulfur. The fifth one is hydrogen, right? So we are done with the left side. Let's come to the right side. The same elements: potassium, manganese, oxygen, sulfur, and hydrogen. Okay, they are all the same elements. The elements you see here, they are all the same here. Okay, so no need of changing anything. So we have potassium, manganese, oxygen, sulfur, and hydrogen, right? So the next step is to write out the given subscript or the atoms. Are you getting it? What you should understand is know that this X is affecting everything here. This X is affecting both the potassium, the manganese, and the oxygen. Are you getting it? Also, this Y is affecting both the sulfur and the oxygen. Also, this Z is affecting both the hydrogen and the oxygen. Okay, so let's write out the given subscript or the atoms. So from the first one, so the first one is potassium, right? So potassium has only one atom here. Okay, that's only one atom. No need of writing it. So this one times X is what? Is X to give us X. Are you getting it? So the next one is manganese, right? Manganese too is the same, has only one atom. Yeah, okay. So one times this one. So one times X, sorry, to give us what? X. So the next one is oxygen, right? Oxygen has four atoms here, right? So 4 times X will give us 4X. 4X. Look at this side. Oxygen has what? 2 atoms here, right? So 2 times Y will give us 2Y. So Y plus 2Y. The same thing here. Oxygen has only one atom here, right? So 1 times Z will give us, that is plus Z. Plus Z, okay? So we are done with oxygen at our left side. Let's come to sulfur. Sulfur has only one atom here. Okay, so 1 times Y will give us Y. Okay, when writing down the atoms, you have to be very careful to look everything, okay, for you not to do any mistake. So the next one, which is the last one, is what? Is hydrogen. So hydrogen, we don't have hydrogen here, we don't have. So hydrogen has what? 2 atoms here, right? So 2 times Z is 2Z. So we are done with the left side. Let's come to the right side. The first one is potassium, right? Potassium has 2 atoms here, right? No other potassium here. So potassium has 2 atoms here. The next one is manganese. Manganese, right? Manganese. So manganese has 1 atom here. So 1 multiplied by the 2, it will give us what? 2, right? Let's come to oxygen. Oxygen has 4 atoms here, right? 4 atoms here. Oxygen has 4 atoms here. So we write the 4. Okay. The same time, oxygen has what? 4 atoms here, right? 4 atoms here. So 4 times 2 know that this 2 is affecting both the manganese and this 2 is affecting both the manganese, sulfur, and the oxygen. Are you getting it? At the same time, this 2 is affecting both the hydrogen, sulfur, and the oxygen. Are you getting it? So 4 times 2 is what? Is 8 plus 8 plus the same thing, 4 atoms here, right? So 4 times 2 is what? Is 8. So 8 plus 8 is 16 plus this 4 is 20. Okay? Let me just write 20. So oxygen is 20, right? So the next one is sulfur. So sulfur has only one atom here, right? Sulfur has only one atom here. So 1. Sulfur has one atom here, right? So 1 times 2 is 2. Plus this one is 3, right? Is 3. So 1 here, 1 times 2 is 2. So 3 plus 2 is 5. So the last one is hydrogen. Hydrogen has 2 atoms here. So 2 times this 2, it will give us what? 4. So hydrogen has what? 4 atoms. Okay, we have 4 atoms of hydrogen. So we are asked to find the value of x, y, and z, right? So let's equate them. So the first one, which is potassium. So the value of x, so we have x equal to 2. Are you getting it? X equal to 2. So x equal to 2. So the value of x is what? Is 2. Are you getting it? So the next one is magnets, right? Look at it. Magnet, we have x here and we have 2 here, right? So the same thing, x is 2. X is 2. So meaning the value of x is 2. Okay. So the next one is oxygen, right? We come to oxygen. So sulfur, we have y equal to 5. So the value of y equal to 5, right? So let's solve for oxygen. Oxygen, we have 4x plus 2y plus z. 4x plus 2y plus z equal to 20, right? So the value of x is what? Is 2. So 4 times 2 plus 2. The value of y is what? Is 5, right? Look at it. Times 5 plus z equal to 20, right? So 4 times 2 is 8, right? 2 times 5 is 10. So 10 plus 8 is 18. So we have 18 plus z equal to 20. Let's collect items. So we have z equal to 20 minus 18. So z equal to 20 minus 18 is 2. So the value of z is 2, y is 5, and x equal to 2. In case you don't understand, you can rewatch the video. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are watching on YouTube. Follow my page for more videos. Please share this video for other students to watch and learn. Click on the share arrow and share this video. Okay, drop your comments and like this video. Bye.